My name is Macy Schmidt. I am an orchestrator and the founder of the all-women orchestra, the Sinfonietta. I think that most people, when they hear the word orchestra, they think Mozart or Beethoven at the symphony. We work to subvert expectations of what an orchestra is and to invite new audiences into what it means to experience orchestral music that defies classical stereotypes.
Right. Okay, cool. I want to do that one more time for 49. I could have synced this over.
My name is Maitha Hamdan. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. My work reflects traditional Emirati heritage. I have always been drawn to the idea of exploring multiple artistic disciplines. I wanted to break free from the constraint of a single medium and explore the vast possibilities that various art forms had to offer.
My entire birth family is from and mostly currently based in the Middle East, and I was adopted by 2 American parents. I was just unbelievably excited to get to work with a female artist who was born and raised in the Middle East. The piece Crystalline by Dana Alfredon has always really moved me. I had a feeling that Maitha would feel that connection to the song that I did. In the original version of the song, there's this beautiful main theme that's on piano, and that's actually the part that we're gonna lift to be played onto harp. It's the theme that's this. It's more delicate, but also as a plucked string instrument, there's a crossover into traditional Arabic instruments in like the plucked string. It just feels like the sort of piece that an artist in your medium could do so much with.
It was like building bridges between both our cultures, just to meet in the middle and create our own garden of such beautiful pieces. Whenever you walk around the country here, you would see a lot of patterns that are Arabic patterns in the mosaic style. I wanted to have it in the show.
Wow, I love that. That's beautiful.
I decided to make it an interactive piece with your batons. So the more you move your baton, there will be more movements of the particles. It would be like a dance between my visuals and your musical piece. The aim was to create something that is visually beautiful for the younger generation.
I loved the way that digital art and technology bridged Maitha and I communicating through our art in real time. I honestly didn't even know was possible.